Once again, I welcome you in the next lecture in the democratic right. Today we are going to discuss about that basically what is rights. Rights होते क्या हैं, अधिकार होते क्या हैं, and how the peoples are use these rights. किस तरीके से लोग इनको use करते हैं. Sometimes these rights be practiced in a very wrong manner, and sometimes the people are not aware their rights. So in detail we will discuss about that what are these rights. In general way, if you talk about what are the rights, so my dear student, rights are legal and moral claims. जो rights होते हैं, these are legal and moral claims. Legal and moral claims means ये हमारे लीगल और मोरल क्लेम्स होते हैं ऑफ ए पर्सन ओवर अदर फेलो बीइंग, ओवर सोसाइटी, ओवर द गवर्नमेंट. दीज आर द लीगल एंड मोरल क्लेम्स ओवर द सोसाइटी, ओवर द पर्सन एंड ओवर द गवर्नमेंट. बट देर इज ए वन थिंग बिहाइंड इट कि अ राइट कैन नॉट बी राइट unless it is not recognized by the society. अगर वो राइट सोसाइटी के द्वारा रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं है, अगर वो राइट गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं है, we cannot consider that it is a right. There are few things about the rights are given with the examples of Kosovo, with the example of Saudi Arabia, with the example of Saudi Arabia and Kosovo and जो मैस्केर्स हुआ उसके बारे में बताया गया है. So we will discuss in detail that basically what is right. If we see that right are the claims of a person over a fellow citizen, over society and over government. As I told you that these are the claims of a person over the society, over the government. However, it has to keep in mind that right should not hurt or harm other. If you are enjoying your right, it doesn't mean that your right harm or hurt other. If you are enjoying right and with the help of your right any person are hurting or harming, it means you are not using your rights in a proper way. You can be arrested, you can be watched by the government if you are not enjoying your right properly. Right means freedom. It doesn't mean harm. It doesn't mean hurt to someone else. Look at the example that Serbian in Yugoslavia cannot claim right which could harm ethnic Albanian. जो सर्बेनियन थे उन्होंने अपने राइट को क्लेम नहीं किया और उसका जो नतीजा निकला वो जो अर्बेनियन थे जो लाखों की संख्या में, हजारों की संख्या में मारे गए, उसका नतीजा निकला. द राइट आर रीजनेबल क्लेम पर्सन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय द सोसाइटी एंड सैंक्शन बाय द लॉ. द राइट्स आर बेसिकली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय द सोसाइटी एंड सैंक्शन बाय द लॉ. If the rights are not sanctioned by the law, these are not legal right. These are not legal right. If the right are sanctioned by the government, it means we can say the right which is enjoyed by the people, these are the legal right, because these are the sanctioned by the government and recognized by the society. Rights are required a democracy to protect minority from the oppression of majority. Right also protects citizen from the tyranny of the government. If you have the right, it means you are supposed to just right एक तरीके से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं माइनॉरिटी को मेजोरिटी से, एंड और वी कैन से दैट द राइट प्रोटेक्ट द माइनॉरिटी फ्रॉम द ऑपरेशंस ऑफ द मेजोरिटी. These rights protect us from the monarchy government. These government protect us any kind of dictatorship. So rights are the legal or the rights are the claim which is recognized by the society and which is just we can say the sanction of the law. अगर सरकार के द्वारा वो सैंक्शन है, सोसाइटी के द्वारा वो रिकॉग्नाइज्ड हैं, these are rights. And after getting the rights, if you are just harming or hurting someone else, it means you are not enjoying your rights. Rights, ये rights आगे चल के फंडामेंटल राइट्स में होंगे. फंडामेंटल राइट्स वो आधारभूत अधिकार जो सरकार के द्वारा हमें प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं. जीवन जीने का अधिकार, वोट देने का अधिकार, राइट टू लाइव, राइट टू रिजाइड, दीज आर द राइट्स एंड दीज राइट्स आर द क्लेम्स ऑफ ए सिटीजन. और इनको क्लेम कर सकते हैं हम लोग. एंड दीज आर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय द सोसाइटी, दीज आर सैंक्शन बाय द गवर्नमेंट. सो rights are very very important. With the help of right we can protect ourselves, minority protect from the majority, and citizen can protect from any kind of orthodox government, the government which is not elected by the proper channel, which is not elected by the complete procedure. उन सब के माध्यम से भी ये राइट हमें बचाते हैं. If you have the right, it means you have voice in your mouth. And if you have right, if you have voice in your mouth, you can raise the question against any kind of injustice which is happening around you. So rights are very very important for our daily life. We should enjoy these rights. We should work for the welfare of the citizen. We should work for the welfare of the country. And we should enjoy all these rights in a proper way without hurting or harming someone else. That's up to you about the right. I hope that you got all the points very easily understand. Thank you very much.